how to cancel your iHeart music, radio and podcast subscription on Android. Now if you subscribe to iHeart using your Android, you can also cancel them within Android. For this, all you have to do is first of all open up your Play Store. If you subscribe using Google Play, right, so be very careful on this. If you subscribe using a Google Play account, you can open up your Google Play Store, tap on the respective Google profile from the top right from which you're subscribed. Then from there, just go to the option called Payment and Subscriptions. From there, at the very top, you'll find the option that says Subscriptions. So tap on it, and under it, you'll be able to see a list of applications that you have subscribed to, and you'll also be able to find the iHeart application here, from where you can choose to cancel it. In some cases, if you do not find it also, that's not a problem at all. You can cancel it manually by opening the iHeart app or going to its website, logging into your account, tapping on the gear icon located at the top right hand side. Then you'll find the subscription details. So when you tap on the subscription details right here, you'll be also able to cancel it from here. But chances are that if you have subscribed using a Google Play, you'll most likely be able to cancel it right within Google Play. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.